Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with my next video on a very important grammar topic, and that is nouns number. Let us see the picture. There's a beautiful picture of a single bird, and then just beside it we have a nice picture of many colorful birds. Here we have the first picture of a child. The next one is of many children. At the bottom we can see a picture of an ox, and just beside it a picture of oxen. So as we have seen and we must have understood, we are all doing singular and plural. A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one person or thing, for example, mango, leaf. A noun is said to be plural if it refers to more than one person or thing, for example, mangoes or leaves. Now, when we do the chapter singular plural, we should be aware how to change the singular nouns to the plural. Let us see all the concepts one by one. There are many singular nouns that can be changed into plural by just adding s. For example, boat, boats, house, houses, cat, cats, river, rivers. There are many more. I am here only with few to explain you the concept. There are some singular noun words ending in s, x, z, ch and sh that make the plural by adding es. Let us see few examples. Bus, when we add es, becomes buses. Wish, wishes. Pitch, pitches. Box, boxes. The words that are in singular noun and they end in a consonant y, they make the plural by dropping the y and adding ies. Let us see few examples. Penny becomes pennies by removing the y and adding ies. Spy, spies. Baby, babies. City, cities. Daisy, daisies. However, there are words that end in y and we do not add ies. In fact, they can be formed into plural by just adding s. Let us see these examples. Valley, which ends with y, we can only add s and make it valleys. So we need to learn all these words. Story becomes stories. This story is referred to the floors. You can see the picture of a house that has got a single story and the other one which has got multiple stories. Donkey becomes donkeys by just adding s, and boy becomes boys. A singular noun ending in f or fe form their plural by changing the f or fe into ves. For example, half becomes halves. Just see, we have removed the f and we have added ves. Knife becomes knives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Elf, elves. Loaf, loaves. The nouns ending in f form their plural in the normal way too. It's not only by adding ves, it can be done by just adding s. For example, proof, proofs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Hoof, hoofs. Chief, chiefs. Most nouns ending with O form their plural by adding es to the singular. Potato becomes potatoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Here, as you can see, after O we are adding es. Mango becomes mangoes. Mosquito becomes mosquitoes. Some nouns which end with O form plural in a normal way. Without adding the es, we can just add s. Photo becomes photos. Piano, pianos. Studio, studios. Stereo, stereos. Some noun forms plural by changing the inside vowels. For example, woman becomes women. So we can see we have changed the inside vowel of A with E. Man becomes men. Tooth is teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Some words are exceptions and they have got a different way to change from singular to plural, and let us read the list. Cactus, the plural form is cacti. Focus, plural is foci. Fungus, fungi. Nucleus, nuclei. Syllabus, syllabi or syllabuses. Analysis, where we have the ending as sis. Analysis, we here end with ses. Diagnosis, sis is the ending, while when we make it plural, it ends with ses. In the same way, it's oasis, oasis, thesis, thesis, crisis, crisis. We need to remember all these and learn the spellings too. Phenomenon becomes phenomena. Criterion, criteria. Datum, data. Ox is oxen. Child, children. Mongoose, mongooses. Specimen, specimens. Basis, bases. Diagnosis, diagnosis. If a noun consists of several words, that is compound nouns, the s is added to the main word. For example, son-in-law is sons-in-law. Maidservant is maid servants. Passerby becomes passers-by. Stepmother is stepmothers. Mother-in-law is mothers-in-law. Some more exceptions are scissors, spectacles, shorts, trousers, clothes are used in plural form. For example, her spectacles are new. They take the plural form, so we have to use the correct verb with it. So we use are. My shorts are faded. The next example is mathematics, news, politics, innings appear to be plural because they all end with s, but they are used as singular noun. The news is shocking. News is ending with s, but it takes the singular form, so we put is with it. Mathematics is interesting. In the same way, we have physics is interesting. So they all end with s, but they take the singular form. Nouns like scenery, furniture, information, advice, aircraft are used in singular form. For example, I saw 2 aircraft in the sky. We will not add s. It remains singular. The furniture is polished. Furniture also is a singular form, so we add is as a verb. Cattle and people appear to be singular, but they are used as plural forms. Cattle, that means many cow, buffaloes all together, but we feel that cattle can be a collective word, but no, it is used as a plural form. The cattle are in the shed. Abstract nouns like love, anger, beauty, etc. are not countable and have no plural forms. In the same way, material nouns like gold, copper, oil, etc. are not countable and they do not have plural forms. Deer, sheep have same form as singular nouns. For example, the sheep is grazing. I hope you have all understood how to change from singular to plural. You need to learn all of them. Make a list and learn, and then solve the 2 questions that I have for you. I have done one in both the questions as an example. Let us quickly see. Question 1. Change all the singulars to plural. She ate her birthday cake. The answer is they ate their birthday cakes. She is a single person. We have converted it into plural by writing they. So accordingly, the possessive word her changes into their and birthday cake changes into birthday cakes. Let us see the first one. I'll help you with the first one and then you can do it yourself. Number 1. I watched the bird building its nest in the tree. I is converted into we when we change it into plural. We watched the birds building their nests in the trees. So we have changed all the singulars into plural. Let us see all the other sentences which you have to solve. Number 2, the child was given a large amount of presents for its birthday. Number 3, he was having difficulty with the maths test. Number 4, there was a mouse in the old lady's room. Number 5, my neighbor has bought a cottage in Islay. Number 6, this tap's washer is worn and that is why it is dripping. Number 7, I ate a raspberry and a peach for my lunch. Number 8, you should take the bus to the nursery. Number 9, she was bitten by a mosquito on her holiday in Italy. If you are able to solve it correctly, please write it in the comment section and also in your copies. Let us see the next question. Change the following sentences from singular to plural or from plural to singular as in the examples. I have done 2 for you. Let us see. Number 1, she is a beautiful lady. We changed they are beautiful ladies. Number 2, a book is a good friend. We change into plural. Books are good friends. Let us see all the other sentences that you have to do it yourself. Do it in your copy and also in the comment section. Number 3, a small car is a great vehicle. Number 4, she is a smart girl. Number 5, it is an old church. Number 6, is this man a worker? Number 7, is he a nice character? Number 8, these pants belong to those women. Number 9, are the students in the classroom? Number 10, these glasses aren't for those women. I hope you are able to do all of them correctly. Do take good care of yourself. Newcomers, please press the subscribe button. Become a member of English with Mona family. Also press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Do take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.